If you're after a car that's cheap to buy and will keep working long after the odometer hits 200,000 miles, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm counting down 10 models that trade flashy badges for real-world durability. No supercars, no trend pieces, just dependable machines built to last. Let's dive in. 10. Toyota Corolla. You simply can't talk durability without mentioning the Toyota Corolla, one of the best-selling cars of all time, and for very good reason. Generations like the E120 and E140, the Auris in the UK, feature simple engines, cheap parts, and high fault tolerance. With proper servicing, they'll hit 200,000 miles with no major drama. What to watch? Underside rust. Check MOT history for repeated advisories or fails. And peek under the oil filler cap for mayonnaise-like substance, sign of a blown head gasket. But most of the time, this car is just plain reliable. 9. Honda Civic, 8th gen. Next up, the Honda Civic, specifically the 8th generation model. I remember when this came out, futuristic design, attention grabbed. Today, it's one of the most reliable cars you can buy. Overbuilt engines, parts everywhere, and with good servicing, you're looking at years of trouble-free driving. Weak spots, wheel bearings may wear out early, suspension components get tired, and occasionally, timing chain tensioners fail. But none of it's catastrophic, and a petrol version with a clean history is a very safe bet. 8. Toyota Avensis, petrol. If you need something a little bigger for family practicality but want reliability, consider the petrol version of the Toyota Avensis. Unflashy, sensible, dependable. The diesel versions can be more fragile, so stick to a good history petrol. These cars quietly offer great value and longevity in the used market. 7. Mazda MX-5. Yes, even a sports car can be built for the long haul. The Mazda MX-5, whether NA, NB, or NC, is famously reliable. Light parts, simple systems, engines that just keep ticking. Find one that's been garaged, undersealed, or rust-free, and you've got yourself a fun yet dependable machine. Rust remains the main threat, so inspections matter, but mechanically, these are long-haul ready. 6. Honda Accord, 7th 8th gen petrol. Moving up in size, the Honda Accord. Again, choose the naturally aspirated petrol versions of the 7th or 8th generation. Strong engines, reliable gearboxes, Honda build quality. Many of these will surpass 200,000 miles if you maintain them. They look good, they drive well, and they won't let you down. 5. Toyota Prius. Here's an interesting one, the hybrid pioneer, the Toyota Prius. Despite all the concerns with hybrid systems, the Prius has proven itself time and again. Hybrid synergy drive gives you 2 motors, so less strain on the petrol engine. Yes, battery replacement can be pricey, but reconditioned units exist for less. I've seen countless Prius taxis with massive mileage on the clock and still rolling strong. Practical, comfortable, and reliable. 4. Skoda Octavia, earlier diesel or later common rail. Switching gears into practical European territory, the Skoda Octavia. Shared VW Group platforms mean parts are cheap and plentiful. Earlier 1.9 PD diesels, or later common rail variants, are reliable workhorses. Spacious, comfortable, practical. And they've served as taxis for years, so you know they're built to last. One caveat, skip the early DSG boxes. They can be a headache. Go manual if possible. 3. Toyota Aygo, 1st generation. For ultra-budget reliability, the 1st gen Toyota Aygo, 2005-14. Tiny 1.0-liter petrol engine. Very simple mechanics. Incredibly cheap to run. Not luxurious, not flashy, but if you're after a car that will do the job and last, this is a smart pick. In fact, I've had dozens of these over the years with hardly any major issues. 2. Volvo V70, Mark the Tau, petrol. Now for a sleeper, the Swedish legend, the Volvo V70 Mark II from 2001. Engines are strong, drivetrains robust, and you'll find many examples with 300,000 miles on them. I once drove one of these all the way to the Swiss Alps with nearly that mileage, and it didn't miss a beat. My advice? Go for the 2.4 petrol rather than the old diesel. Still practical, comfortable, and built to last. 1. Lexus is Marc de Sens ES 250 petrol. And at number 1, the Lexus is Marc de Sens ES 250 petrol from 2005. A luxury car that doesn't kill your reliability. Toyota engine, Honda-like build quality, Lexus fit and finish. With heated and ventilated seats, sat-nav, reverse camera, you can find one with everything. Service history matters, but if you pick a clean one, you've got a car that truly will last forever. Stick to the petrol, avoid the diesel, and you've got longevity and luxury. Each one of these 10 cars proves that cheap to buy and built to last aren't mutually exclusive. The secret isn't just brand name. It's the right engine, the right servicing, and knowing the weak spots. Get that right, and you'll have a car that'll take you far beyond expectations.